Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add citations and references in Microsoft Word. So for us to get this done, let's go over to the part where we want to add a citation. Say for example, we're going to go ahead and add it from here. What we are going to do is head over to the references here at the top and then click citation. You also have to make sure, by the way, that you choose the right style. So I'm going to use APA, click this, click add new source. So we're going to use add new source if we are citing it for the first time. Now you have different sources here that you can add, or type of source rather. So yeah, go ahead and try to choose which one would be most appropriate for you. In my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and use book, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fill all of these right now. All right, there you go. So all details are here. I'm going to go ahead and hit the insert. And the moment you do that, you can see that now the citation has been added here. Now we can head over, say for example, you're done with the article. I'm just going to go ahead and click here and then add a new page here. Say for example, this is your bibliography. You can go ahead and scroll down and you can click this one. And then you can add a bibliography or references depending on how you want this. There you go. So we use references, and you can see that now it has been added here. And that, everybody, is the easiest way in order to cite here in Microsoft Word.